your bike for a total like.
How many kids you have?
None. It's just I don't like my ass scratched. Right.
This shit's bled perfectly for this caliper or something. Awesome.
I think what you gotta do is
What is all these spacers?
and put it on a rotor and hold it up higher and bleed.
No, you put a wrench in it and you hold it.
It's literally cooking the way it's mounted.
Don't what?
Did Leo tell you the clearance is 3 washers?
No. It's crooked on that mount, on whatever bracket you got going, but it's crooked.
Is that pressure?
I could fucking see it real good.
Let's spin it.
It's like leaning over this way.
Yeah, 100%. That's honestly.
I want them in all colors.
Oh my fucking shit!
I was like, what are you doing?
It's a Harley to make that noise.
Oi! You can't park there!
Are you okay?
He's fine. The day had a little break.
Ah! Oh yeah, I need gas. Is there a gas station around here?
I don't know. You gotta ask him.
Is there a gas station over here?
Is there a gas station around here?
So if you go down to the stop sign, go straight down. Just keep going straight all the way down, you'll run into
I fucking ran out of gas! What the fuck? Alright. I don't even know where the fuck. I'm in the middle of nowhere. Ow, I keep hitting my fucking knee on that. Ugh. What a lot day. Ow! Okay. Come on. Take your bike for a walk. That's what we do on Sundays. God damn it. Alright, will you start? What are you fucking dorks doing? You got RC cars? Fuck yeah! There we go. Back to walking. Why do I have to fucking go so fast? If I wasn't hauling ass, I'd probably make it there. I guess I learned today. Fucking idiot. Yep, how you doing? Should have gave one of these. These are the actions, the results of my actions, or whatever the fuck. Fucking stunt bike moto vlog out on the internet. I'm the next 636 because I pushed my stunt bike. Or Brian 636 because I pushed my stunt bike. Push my stunt bike everywhere. Don't need stunts. You just need the bike. You don't even need gas. You just need an open road to push your bike. Fucking stupid. Should fucking strap that thing on. Pull it. The slight incline. It's gonna fucking ruin my day. Did you guys know that daddy long legs are actually crabs? They're not spiders. But you know, forget about it. They make a web. Ow! Okay. Okay, shut the fuck up. Give me a little bit of juice, baby. Give me some. Oh, barely. No! 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 Blanket, no! Damn it. Alright, we're pushing up the hill. Just like I wanted to. Oh, brother! Brother! You know where the nearest gas station is? Is it that way?
No, it's let me get a side, hold it right up here, and I'll get a siphoning hose, and I'll siphon some out of my tank.
Oh, I appreciate it. I'll be up there.
Hey, give me 10 minutes.
That's fine. Fuck yeah, brother! Let's go! Look at them gusses. Look at them gusses over there. And them ducks. I don't know. Holy shit! There's a whole lot of gusses over there. You can hear how empty it is. It's so empty. It's like a fucking bongo drum. Somebody give me some gas, please. Somebody give me some gas, please. Big money, rich.
Rich, millionaire, millionaire.
Oh, I see one headlight. I see one headlight. Just as I got to bitching. Let's go. That's all you gotta do. You gotta start bitching. That's how the world works. You bitch about something, boom, it happens for you every time. Oh my God. This is how accidents happen, and I'm in the fucking worst place. Great. I love it. That thing's sick. Dyna?
Huh?
Dyna?
No, it's Honda.
Oh, this is a Honda?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah, dude. Sick. Gotta love a good old Honda, man.
Yeah, I got it when I only had 8,000 on it, and I've got like, it shows 40 something, but my speed cable broke.
Oh,
I
yeah?
got like 50,000 on it, and the thing still runs as good as the day I got it.
Hell yeah.
So he has to suck it through. Yeah. No.
Oh, not in. Yeah. Okay. There it is. Yeah. Didn't even get in my mouth.
Is it going in? We gotta use gravity.
This is science.
1 second. Right down there, there's all kinds of crap. We'll find something to put it in.
Oh, okay.
Because we gotta use the gravity to get down.
There's a bowl right there. All right, I guess we're going it this way. Thank you. Oh. There we go.
Going to get bluegills, I had to take a gentleman catfish tonight.
Oh, sick. I know, I saw the pole. That should probably be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to rob you. Sick. Nice to meet you, brother. I appreciate it so much.
No problem. Glad I can help.
Oh, I'm glad you're here, bro. You stay safe, bro.
Straight down.
All the way down?
Yeah, you'll find it.
Thank you. What a fella. What the fuck? Stop. Stop. Why? Why are you fucking leaking? Why are you leaking? Oh my God, it's even worse. fuck it.
Oh, you missed the whole set.
What the fuck?
Past a certain time.
I was, dude.
You're an idiot.
I fucking pushed the bike all the way the fuck up.
Gas in my truck, you dumb fuck.
I thought that was 2-stroke.
I didn't mix it yet.
I pushed it almost the whole fucking way.
Well, you missed the whole. I was wondering. I'm like,
And then how'd you get gas? Somebody's.
Yeah, someone stopped and I siphoned out of his bike, and then I rode to the gas station, and now I'm back. Just another wasted lot day.
yeah.
God, dude, it's the fucking like 4th one in a fucking row.
I'm sorry, dog.
Fuck.
Go over. You can ride some more?
No.
I do. I told him, I was like, he's gonna be pissed because I gotta go home.
Yeah, I was looking at your dick. It was a fucking just swinging around. Stop.
I fucking tried. You said it, bitch.
Watch out.
Ah,
Hey, don't fuck up that KTM.
I can't see it.
Left.
I'm lefting.
A little left, my left.
Fuck your left.
I'm gonna keep